First of all, you need to know these demonstrative pronouns. Ko, something near to the speaker. So, something near to the listener. A, something far from both speaker and listener. Do, something the speaker doesn't see or know about. Now, when we add no to these pronouns, we get kono, this noun, sono, that noun, ano, that noun over there, dono, which noun. How to use them? We use them to say this, that over there, and which noun, nouns, is, are. And to make things clear, here are some examples. Kono hon wa furui desu. This book is old. Kono pen wa atarashii desu. This pen is new. Kono kutsu wa chisai desu. This shoes is small, and so on. Sono kawa wa hiroi desu. That river is wide. Sono kusuri wa kiita. That medicine worked. Sono kawa wa kikenda. That river is dangerous, and so on. Ano tatemono o mite. Look at that building. Ano hana wa kirei desu. That flower is beautiful. Ano ie wa yumei desu. That house is famous, and so on. Dono hanashi mo omoshiroi. All the stories are interesting. Dono kutsu mo takai. Every shoes is expensive. Dono hiya mo shizuka desu. All the rooms are quiet, and so on. And now, how to form questions with these pre-noun adjectivals. We simply add ka to the end of the sentence. Examples: Kono shumatsu wa hima desu ka? Are you free this weekend? Kono ningyou wa ikura desu ka? How much is this doll? Kono seki wa aite imasu ka? Is this seat available? Sono hako wa mokusei desu ka? Is that box made of wood? Sono heya wa shizuka desu ka? Is that room quiet? Sono geki wa owatta ka? Is that show over? Ano shoujo wa dare desu ka? Who is that girl? Ano kaban wa anata no mono desu ka? Is that bag yours? Ano chisai mise wa sakanaya desu ka? Is that small store a fish store? And so on. And finally, how to form a negative sentence using these pre-noun adjectivals. We add nai, arimasen, to the end of the sentence. Kono pen wa atarashiku nai, arimasen. This pen is not new. Ano e wa furuku nai, arimasen. That picture is not old. Ano tatemono wa ookiku nai, arimasen. That building is not big. Dono hiya mo aitei nai, imasen. None of the rooms are available.